Ow. I don't know, I feel like I don't know, I was feeling like a stabbing sensation in my ovary. I've been feeling that for a while now, so I just wanted to I don't know, try to get rid of it, I guess. Okay, good posture. For corn. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's all okay. Okay, so what do I need to do? Need to ask around. The speed store over there. Question mark over there. Question mark over there. We should go over here. And do the main. Fuck, I don't know what's wrong with me right now. I'm just feeling a bit iffy. My stomach's making a lot of noise.
Aren't we generous? All this help for no personal gain? I know she's pretty, but...
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's not like that. I mean, she is pretty, but it's not...
Whatever.
Oh! Is she getting jealous? Is she getting jealous? She's getting jealous! Oh my god.
We need to find someone wearing a red hood.
Quest? Something wrong, you're from Yorha, right? I remember, this is right. Photographs, oh yeah. Yeah, we never did these. Help her recover. Okay. Talk? Yeah, oh, you're a scanner, aren't you? I know everything. Okay, maybe not everything, but you can ask me anything you want to know. Okay, not that guy.
These places look familiar. One looks like the amusement park.
That's not
One looks like the desert. And one looks like the forest. Let's keep our eyes open next time we're in any of those areas.
This person has a red cape. What? Wait, what? No. I guess not then. She's a black cape. No. Say check storage place. Over here. I see her. I see her up there. I see her up there. Because I remember they were like, shh, shh, shh. Say, nice hood. You make it? What, this? No, girlfriend. No, mine gave it to me. This is the first time I've worn it in public. Do you really like it? It's great. In fact, I wish I had one for myself. Do you happen to know where she got it? No, sorry. Didn't think to ask. Do you know where your friend is? Maybe I'll go ask her myself. Man, you really like this hood. Last I heard, she was out in the desert station. She shouldn't be hard to find. I think she's the only woman there. Oh, jackass. I hope you managed to get a hood of your own.
Sounds like that red hood was a gift of some sort.
Gifts are such a useless ritual.
Wow, okay. Where'd that come from?
It's rude to give a person something without their permission. What if they don't want it?
I think it's more about the feeling behind it than
she's
the
still
actual
jealous.
item, right?
Feelings are prohibited.
Yeah.
One affirmation will suffice.
Oh, for the love of... Fine. Yeah.
2B is very, very jelly. 2B is very, very jelly. Wait, did you drink a bottle of alcohol and get hiccups? No, I didn't. I swear I didn't. I'm just struggling right now. Let's do a quick save. We can transport ourselves as well. But we do have quests around. Oh my fucking god. There is stuff here. Mysterious letter. How the fuck did I get over there? Oh, this is... I know where this is. This is the... I know where this is. This is not yet. The wandering couple. Yeah. Can I transport to flooded city coast? Let's see if I can go there. Oh, only bunker. Jesus. Let me see, guys. There was ages ago Natasha's equipment in the box. Where's the gun? I really want a camera. Like the camera quality, but lens and model. Oh, it's Sony A6000. Let's see. Sony A6000 is a camera. But that one, I wouldn't highly recommend it because if you're gonna stream with it, it does have a bug where it like smooths out the skin, even though you don't want that to happen. So I would definitely recommend getting a later model. Like, I guess Sony A7000 or any one of those later ones. The lens, though, is a really good one, and that's really what does the trick. And the lens is a Sigma, I think, wait, specs, let's see. It's specs. Yeah, Sigma 16mm f1.4. This is the lens. Sorry, I didn't see your message in time. Or in time, within, like, when you sent it. My bad. My bad. Sorry, I'm struggling with hiccups right now. My bad, my bad. Oops. Okay, so my question here is map mode. Where do we have to go? We don't want to do the main quest. So I want to go up here. There's another quest right there. I will definitely want to side quest it up as much as possible. Whoa! There we go. Okay. Thank you, I appreciate that. Retrieve. Fuck my life. I'm really struggling right now with the hiccups. Oops. So Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, it's up here. There we go.
That machine. I think something's wrong with it.
Machine. Dot dot dot. Hello, anybody home in there? Dot dot dot. Come on, I know you can hear me. What are you doing here? Dot dot dot. Analysis. Scans indicate no mechanical malfunction in this unit. Therefore, it must be deliberately ignoring you. So it's gonna be like that, is it? What?